Ka North Liberty Higher Secondary School kabadon hamu kurdup Jawai West Giant Hills sashisin kalala biang bandek bha haka exam jong ka embos haka HSSLC Science stream haka ba armu khynnah kilayo bandrung biang haka top 10 minta usnem. Haka result kabalapan bena haka santerik jemang ka Risa E Christian Suting kalayo ya kekerdan ka basanda ka bayo South Park Dripway Max kat ba ka Rila Naika Sari kalayo ya kekerdan ka bakendai da ka bayo South Park Sanpu Armax. Kani kalong hadin ka jingjob jong ka North Liberty haka exam house nem arhajar arhusaw haka ba uway bhanong tudu lakyang bad u Josha via panan paswen kilayo ya kekerdan ka bahendriu bat ka bahnyo. Ka jingjob jong ka North Liberty kapan i baka day ka way na ki school kabalam lenti ya ki school haka district bat shabar. Ka jing pas bah ki khynnah science kabalakan jo syaka prapu ar point khandai pusaw haka kerdan science menta usnem ka pau ba ka jing nang kiu ka jing start bat ka jing yakop hapdeng ki khynnah kala jurbha ban poi shakman. Henry ka North Liberty kadang yai biteng ban pau bat penti kena ba wat ki school ki badan shabar ka nong ba ru kilale bha bat banjom. Ka North Liberty ka layo ya ka pass percentage ka bashis pa percent ha ka babaro sapun riungut ki bayakun ya ka exam kila paslun.
So, hello everyone. My name is Risa E. Christine Sting, and I thank God for He has given me this opportunity to be standing here, and He has blessed me so much, me and my family, especially my school. And I thank Him for He has never leaving me, He has never forsaken me throughout all my shortcomings. And if I were to say how I got here, it was purely by His grace. I have doubted myself many times, but my teachers have helped me. My friends, my family have supported me, and most importantly, God has never left me. And throughout this journey, He has always been there with me. And that's all I'd say. And I want to encourage each and every student out there to work hard and never stop believing and never stop having faith in God. That's all I'd say.
First of all, I give thanks to God because He's always been there with me to always bless, always give me blessings and help. And secondly, I only like to thank my principal, my teachers, my parents for being so supportive, and they never leave my side despite, of course, I have many failures throughout this journey, but then they never fail to support me. This is what brings me into the position. First of all, there's no substitution to hard work. We only need to work hard and work smart. That's the most important thing. We should trust ourselves and always to prioritize our health and sleep. We should never fail to take care of ourselves because without health, then all this hard work and all will not pay off. That's it.
Nukong wow, kanay peace pang success ng school. Nukong wow, ingo uglay. Wow, emulkat ulit na school yung emulkat ulit school rak bumi. Wow, news na malo was nang yung result yung HSSLC. Ado ni yo yiga kiti yung glad. The hand of God was there with us all along, and we've prayed, and I'm so thankful to have a very strong team of teachers who are very dedicated. They've given their all, and the parents of our students have also guided their children, have prayed for the school. Ngangay ako ganito kajingkre yung kiwabon ki stakeholders. Ito kinong hikay, ito kibay pa, ito kina di kre sitong di wede yo ikat, ito sok wede yo legacy. Kaya sagawi ko ka message ko pa si perlok para jor yung ikam tamu po sa intense. Wow, hai ka message yung ngamu nukong wa chania gi ya North Liberty campus ko pa gi pan yung ki ini we wow even see di ki wa chania gi school tabi North Liberty na gi school ko em Tynshain kia yang untuk potensial yang kena yang bini dong mando cerkai whether ki chania ki school ku em hajwai we will give them nothing but the best ngada chu pure orang khian na school kiwa hajwai chu pure school ku em se pot khar se Assam chu pure like college or ki state yo pher yang bini ga ri yang I tango kena ki em kat itna hajwai. We give our best for our children. Ngangai ada lagi cabaran yang berjuai, they will not get as much as they will get from us. We give our best, and I believe because we have given our best, and the children have been tried their best, we got the results. Kini ke message ko ang ham ya pet se jingai. Chani ai ko am berjuai. Chani ai ko po jai ke hills. And God will be there to bless the children. Dapat pergi competitive exams go pair lah. Ki khynnah yang berjantia, khynnah yang dapat liberty, mem saat ini. Ibai marjan, emgi por tamile, ki khynnah di win ki district. Wei ini ga message ki jonga, sigi students ki win ki district lagi senem go one. Pai sejuai. Fights cannot liberty. We'll be here to make your dreams come true. Am iwa ijing duk, lad emi kena iwa start iwa amai jing chitom jing saja wai pure chikosor. Come to North Liberty. We want this to be a source of blessing for students, even if they are from the underprivileged section of society. Because I believe that education is for all, and education should be given to everyone. No one should not get the opportunity to enjoy the best. And at North Liberty, we try our best to make sure we can help society, uplift society through education. Then the result ke bang yo I hom usnan kalong ke ba smokemen ban pe ke result aga science but art stream niyo biang 100% pass indon ba fail naga art stream ni pa sampo krangut ki khynnah but bro sampo krangut ki pass aga first division arpo ngut ki 1 aga art stream arpo argut aga second division batang khendai ngut aga third division kubang kwa kendiat benito ibi kini khynnah arts ki bangiyo Ibabon ki klami of first division aga HSSLC exam ring smokeman ba alpon yung naki mentagi of first division aga arts stream but don gi khynnah ki wala jang yo top 10 and ray ko bang OIP all students do well but only 10 students who are able to get that position. So it doesn't matter whether you are in the position or you are not. But as long as you are close to the toppers, you have done well. The distinction ro niyo kumba arko pratuli the distinction of the arts stream. So this is a very good story from the arts department. Coming to the science stream. Like a science stream, so hound rugut ki khynnah ila exam ki na North Liberty. Way nagini ki so hound rugut was yakumen. So good your first division lead. Almost 10% your first division. And only 2 students got second division. And out of the 44 students, nagini ki so good 90 distinctions were brought to North Liberty by the 46 students of the school. And among the 46 students of the school, we were so happy that God has brought 2 position holders from North Liberty. In the 5th position, we have Risa Christine Suting, and in the 9th position, we have Rilana Ika Sari. But the story that really lightens my face is that very seldom do we see that students who get top 10 or top 20 in class 10 again get top 10 in class 12. But here, both our position holders are students who had studied in our school from the beginning. Since they were small children, they were in North Liberty, and they are completing their schooling in North Liberty in style. In style. And it makes me so happy to have parents who trust the school, who don't think otherwise, but just believe that the school can give them the best education. Even though we are from Joy, they believe that we can get education which is at par with the education that is given in bigger cities of the country. Risa, when she was in class 10, she got the 11th position, I believe. So this is a promotion. She has come from the 11th position in class 10 to the 5th position in class 12. Rilana Ika barely made it to the top 20. She was in the 20th position in class 10, and she had a very big jump from the 20th position to now coming in the 9th position of class 12 science. So these are the good things that are happening to our school, but I would also like to bring to light, amongst a lot of talk about the education system in Meghalaya. In fact, I, for one, have strong belief in the education department of government of Meghalaya, and I take pride to be one of the schools of the Meghalaya Board of School Education. And I'll tell you, I would like to make sure that our board and our state bring back the glory that once was held by our state as being the state where you could get the best education. And I believe if all parents, all teachers, all stakeholders put their trust in our state and in our board, we can bring back the past glory of our state. In fact, seeing my children come from class 10 and now graduating through class 12, if the system is not right, this will not happen. And I'll tell you, our students who have studied in MBOS from the beginning till class 12 have made it to the Meghalaya quota for medical seats. In fact, last year, 7 of our students were placed in the Meghalaya quota for medical. If the education system offered by our state and MBOS is not good, how can that happen? We are at par. But we need to trust, we need to believe that our state can, our teachers can, our school can, then our board will be the best board. So my prayer and request to all schools who are under the Meghalaya Board of School Education, let us join hands and work together to make our state a state that other people from other states will want to come and study. My dream would come true when I see that students from other states will come back to Meghalaya and study in the different schools and colleges of Meghalaya. So once again, I thank one and all for this great result. The teachers have done their job. Today morning, after the results were declared, I called the teachers and congratulated them. This result would not be possible if the teachers hadn't done their part. And I believe that the teachers have worked hard, the students have worked hard, and we have reaped the fruit of their hard work. So with these few words, once again, I congratulate all the students of North Liberty. In fact, I give my best wishes to the students who have passed today from the different schools of Meghalaya. I wish them all the best in their future endeavors. I wish them success. May they become great men and women for the future of our state. Once again, before I end and conclude my speech, I would like to give God the glory, God the honor. If it wasn't for God, we would not be here today. And I believe my students believe the same. God has been with us all along. when we put our faith in God, and when we do our part of working hard and doing our best, God never leaves us. So above all, God has been there with us. And I pray that God continue to be with the students who passed this year, both in class 10 and class 12. I pray that they will have great future and that they will find and accomplish the dreams that they have in their heart. So, dugi ni kitian kendiat, ikubdai zaisi ni kini bagi pa arun ko emini, ugi wamiau emini, igi jinsania yang pi ke North Liberty. The wachania pi ke North Liberty, if igala chakri ke. Thank you very much. God bless Syllad.